President Bongbong Marcos says the Court of Appeals has issued a freeze order on the assets of firms and two House lawmakers allegedly linked to anomalous flood control projects in La Union. In a video statement released on Tuesday, December 9, Marcos says the freeze order covers bank accounts, properties, and air assets of Silver Wolves Construction Corporation and Skyyard Aviation Corporation. It also covers the personal assets of Benguet Representative Eric Yap and ACT-CIS Party List Representative Edvic Yap. He also discloses that more than 16 billion pesos entered Silver Wolves transactions from 2022 to 2025, mostly related to Department of Public Works and Highways flood control projects.
Sakop ng freeze order ang mga account at ari-arian ng Silver Wolves Construction Corporation at Skyyard Aviation Corporation, pati na rin ang mga personal account at asset ng mga individual na nasangkot sa investigasyon. Kabilang ay si Congressman Eric Yap at Edvic Yap. May mahigit 16 billion na ang pumasok sa mga transaksyon ng Silver Wolves mula 2022 hanggang 2025. Nakaramihan ay may kaugnayan sa mga flood control project ng DPWH.
According to Marcos, a total of 280 bank accounts, 22 insurance policies, 3 security accounts, and 8 air assets were frozen. He explains that the move prevents the selling of assets and ensures the recovery of any public funds allegedly misused.
Kabuuang 280 bank account ang na-freeze, 22 insurance policy, 3 securities account, at 8 sasakyang panghimpapawid, kabilang ang mga eroplano at helicopter na konektado sa Skyyard Aviation. Kailangan natin ang mga freeze order na ito para hindi maibenta ang mga ari-arian at para maibalik natin sa ating mga kababayan ang bawat pisong pinaghihinalaang ninakaw.
In October, Ombudsman Boying Remulla identified Eric Yap as a person of interest in a complaint filed by the DPWH over questionable flood control projects in La Union. Remulla also said Yap was the beneficial owner of Silver Wolves. Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon earlier filed malversation complaints against DPWH officials and Silver Wolves, as well as St. Timothy Corporation. Yap has denied involvement in any kickback scheme, saying he did not authorize any money delivery related to the projects.